Hi, today I'd like to show you how to make spiced chicken Korean barbecue. So I'm going to make a ginger preserve, which is Shaosing Wine, 200 milliliter. Then for my blender, then about 25 grams ginger, fresh ginger. I'm gonna cut finely. Then I put all my blender, which is normally fresh ginger you can keep up to 7 to 10 days, but in this way ginger preserve you can keep few months to you can use more long period. So what I do is a little bit lumpy, so I'm straining here, but still I like to use but I think I like to put some ginger butter, so you can straining them later on. So I just put everything in there, and I close, and you can keep up to few months. So I like to introduce some ingredients. Chicken thigh, about 1,500 grams, and I'm going to use just 1 teaspoon sea salt sprinkle, and half teaspoon Dijon mustard, 5 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons Korean fermented chili paste, which is Gochujang, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons Korean chili flake Gochugaru, 2 tablespoons chili sauce, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, medium size onion, but I'm going to use 1/3, and plant Agave sugar 2 tablespoons, and 1/3 cups I'm going to use soy sauce, and which I previously made. Ginger preserve, going to use 2 tablespoons. Also, which I made Kiwi honey marinade, half cups, and bit black pepper. That's all my ingredient. Firstly, I like to sprinkle my chicken, sea salt, lady marinade. So I'm going to grate 1/3 onion, So 1/3 cup the soy sauce. And 2 tablespoons chili powder. 2 tablespoons sweet chili sauce. 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. 3 tablespoons Korean chili paste. And half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Half teaspoon Dijon mustard. And 2 tablespoons Agave sugar. And some black pepper. Then finally, which previously I made kiwi and honey marinade. I'm going to use half cup. All mix here. Two tablespoons ginger preserve. This is 2 tablespoons. So now I'm marinating I'm going to marinate about 1 hour for ready barbecue. See you later, 1 hour. So marinate chicken thigh about hours. So I'm going to be now ready to barbecue. So it's halfway cooking, so I like to just turn over. we have to cook. I like to show you how to make a dipping sauce. It's Korean bean paste. It's Doenjang. I like to use about 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. And Korean chili paste, hot chili paste, fermented chili paste. I use 1 teaspoon. And I'm going to use 1 spring onion. I'm going to use. One teaspoon, some half teaspoon honey, and sesame oil, half tablespoon, and all I mix. Then I put so we made spiced chicken Korean barbecue. I just like to show you how to eat. Picked up some lettuce. Oh, I forgot. I just cut some chili. It's a mild chili. I prefer mild chili. So cut like small piece. A bit rice. And cut some piece chicken. Chicken, and then little chili and some dipping sauce, and how I hope you enjoy this recipe.